Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, friends. In this nice occasion, I would like to discuss developing learning material in the form of module. Do you know module? No. We have so many media, yeah. Of that book, so many books, and our discussion today module. This one. See the word, please. Don't see the head. Module. Actually, module is media. Do you know media? Media used to make the process of teaching learning or the learning can run well. Yeah, media. So there are so many media. For example, like this, it is also media, electronic media. Book also media, printed media. And now we discuss module. Why should we know module? Because as we know also there is also book and the other one. Yeah. Okay. Now module itself actually it is arranged by the teacher or the lecturer to fulfill or to complete the teaching learning process. Why module? Because module is arranged based on the capacity, based on the ability of the student. It's not like the book. Book is arranged to cover large large student, yeah. I mean maybe in Indonesia like that. But module just in one class. So you can arrange it based on your students' capability, skill, and etc. Module is media, yeah. You know that media is a tool, and module itself is arranged to have self-learning. Why self-learning? Because the student who has module can learn by themselves. I mean, for example, when the teacher has already done teaching learning, and then the teacher said, "Okay, your duty is page this," so they can learn in their home by module. Yeah, it is really related with the process of teaching learning. If we use book, we must follow, yeah, we must follow the step of book. But if we use module, we make freedomly, self learning or self instructional, yeah, self learning or self instructional. This is module. And in self learning and self instructional, it means that the teacher is just a the teacher is not the main. The teacher is a facilitator. The teacher is facilitator. Why facilitator? Because the teacher is just in the school. In the home, the student can ask something to the parents, to the brother, sister, neighbor, or even to the other source like internet. So this is the teacher just as facilitator. Means that by module, the student will get a name freedom. Freedom. They can express by themselves like that. And inside the module, we have learning process. In learning process, we have communication. Do you know that communication is information, right? Information about the skill, the competence, and the knowledge. Skill, competence, and knowledge is arranged and evaluated in the module like that. Now go to the design. Design. The design of module, yeah, it almost seems like book actually, but yeah, module is arranged to the small, to the small group. Verbal information, intellectual skill, cognitive strategy, attitude, motoric skill. All of them can make the situation of the student can think, can make a concept, and interpret the application of the module like that. And the last, maybe in my laptop. Yeah, inside the module, the content, the content of the module. The first is learning goal. Of course, it's not only one school to the other school, one class to the other class also. The competence of the student is different. For example, like this. Now, I also teach first class of elementary school. The number of the students is just 15 every class, A, B. 15 in A, 15 in B. It is also different module. Like this. I am as the tutor of English tutor there, because the school have like joining. It's like joining in English course like that. But in this in teaching English, then from A class and B class is different, because their capacity is also different, their skill, their speed, their speed in accepting learning is different. So we must also know the learning goal in every module. Next is material. After knowing the learning goal, we think about material. What material should be given for the first class and the second class? It also must be different. And then source. What source can be used? Means the source is not like the literature, but the source in the module can be adapted with the other media also. For example, the duty of the student to look for something by the media, blah, blah, like that. And the last, really important, is evaluation. Evaluation in the module, evaluation in the module after the teaching learning process is done, already done. Actually, the evaluation you have known well, evaluation in pre, process, and post. So, of course, is related to the module. That is module. And you have known what module like? Okay, thank you. For me, just that. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.